You can't even tell something is there when you're looking at it, but when you want to get something, it's all right there. Here's a quick video on installing the underseat safe for the Cybertruck by Best EV Mod. So this is the packaging it comes with. It comes with the T45 tool to remove the bolts from the seat, a set of 2 keys and a recovery pin, and the safe itself. This is actually pretty light, but it feels pretty heavy duty at the same time. So essentially, this mounts under the seat right here, and you can either open it up with the key, like so, or I've already installed the batteries, but it takes 2 AAA batteries right here, and you can use your fingerprint too. I have my fingerprint set up, so you just tap it like so, the green light appears, and then you can move the dial however you want to unlock and lock. And after that, it's locked. You can't turn it at all. Again, unlock it this way, and once the green light goes away, you can't move it. Another way you can do is set a passcode, which is a series of presses of the button in a specific pattern, or you can just use the key like any other normal person, like so. Installation is pretty straightforward. It comes with a sheet of paper telling you exactly what to do. But before we do that, let's just get this felt lining properly secured. Just remove the adhesive backing tape and pop them on where they belong. Here I have all the tape removed. So this piece, there's 2 of them. One can go right here. Perfect. Another one right here. It's the same piece as before. Like so. The bottom piece, this goes in the back. It's this long strip. Perfect. The flat piece right here on the bottom, this is to protect anything from rattling around and making noise. And the last piece is a little tricky. What you have to do is get it around this battery storage box, feed it through this loop, and then push it in like that, so that it fits flush with the floor. And that is basically it. Now the inside is protected from any metals hitting and making a lot of noise while in the vehicle of the cabin. So the next thing we've got to do is take the passenger seat a little off so that you can take the bolts off. So the first thing you want to do is move the seat all the way up so that you can again access the 2 bolts in the back. Once that is done, you see those bolts back there. You can enter it through the back and use the included tool and just take them off. I have the same T45 on a drill bit, so I'm just going to use that and take these off quickly. After they're off, you can move the seat backwards so that we can remove the front bolts. Take this 1 and 2. Perfect. You want to take those out like so. Next, you can grab the actual safe right here and bring them to the front seat. And essentially, it will be fitting in between these rails. So you can lift the seat up like that. and just pop it in place. Just made sure everything is aligned. You want to make sure that these alignment pegs right here fit into these alignment holes right here. So as you can see, the black one slid off, so we just got to move the seat to the front a little. Again, easier with two hands, but since the back ones are slotted in properly, as you can see right there, the front ones should be good to go as well. After that, you can push the safe as much back as you want, and then thread the bolts right back where they belong. So 1 and 2. It's always a good idea to hand tighten them first before you take the drill and tighten. That's good. 1 and 2. Perfect. Now that's good. Just move it up where you can reach the back holes. Again, start threading it with your fingers. And tighten it down with the drill. Now that it's all good to go, that's it for the install. Push the seat back to its normal position and see how flush it sits with the inside. So take what you need, put it back, and lock your valuables.